The crew that came to the house brought professionalism, uplifting personalities, and an incredible workmanship and diversity of work that they could do for me. That they could kind of do more than one thing for my home. It wasn't just the siding, it was the siding, it was the roofing, it's the moss removal, it's the algae buildup, it's the windows, it's a number of different services that for me as a homeowner and as a busy business owner, I don't have time to work with. As far as the service from everybody went, communication from the crew was fantastic, very supportive, and I really loved how friendly they were, to be honest. They kind of elevated the experience of just having your home clean to have it be an actually very pleasurable experience that, for me, I like being around other like-minded, happy people. So,